Hello everyone, Bonjour, Guten. Welcome to Learning Era. Newspapers are one of the most important documents. They can be called the powerhouse of information. They offer other benefits as well. However, newspaper reading is becoming a dying habit. As the world is moving towards digitalization, no one really reads the newspapers. At least, not the present generation. The readership is maintained mostly because of the older generations only. Newspaper reading is one of the most beneficial habits. It helps us get acquainted with the current affairs of the world. Newspaper reading also opens doors to new employment opportunities. Reliable companies post their ads in the newspaper for employment opportunities. It also improves the vocabulary and grammar of a person. You can learn new words and rectify your grammar through newspaper reading. A person who reads newspapers can speak fluently on various topics and socialize better as they are well aware of the most common topics. It enhances your confidence and you're updated with the current issues, achievements, facts, discoveries, research, laws, events, ideologies, and whatnot. It also improves your memory to a certain extent. It increases your reading skills and indirectly writing skills as well. The perks are immense and it doesn't cost more than ₹1. Unfortunately, despite of having so many benefits, newspaper reading is becoming a dying habit. As people are getting instant updates on their mobile phones and computer systems, they barely read the newspaper. Everything is very convenient now. We can know what's happening in the other part of the world instantly. People don't wait for the next day to read the newspaper as they get it instantly on their devices thanks to the internet. People are running out of the habit of reading. Everything has become so visual now. No one bothers to read newspapers, books, or novels. The internet has made it worse as nowadays there's a video for everything. People won't mind watching a 5-minute video, but will however not prefer to read a 5-minute long article. Besides, electronic gadgets are more convenient, so people don't bother to pick up a paper. As a result, everybody is turning lazy. No one wants to read, and this is affecting the vocabulary skills of the younger generation. People don't know how to spell simple words. They depend on autocorrect to correct their mistakes. The most harmful is fake news. You'll see various news, images, and videos on social media, but you should be aware that everything isn't true. Follow genuine sources of information on social media, and if you know the news is fake, then immediately report it. Even though social media is more easily accessible, let us not forget the importance of reading the newspaper and inculcate this habit of reading in our younger generations so that they continue with the legacy. If you enjoyed watching, give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon, share it with your loved ones, and don't forget to comment below. Bye for now. See you in the next video. Au revoir.